Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. Wanted to do a really quick update today on a question that I get all the time, and I wanted to give you that answer right now today. And that question is how to pick up women in the gym and how to get a date in the gym. So I'm going to give you the answer to the question right now, and then we're going to delve into the whole thing. So here is the answer on how to pick up women or men at the gym and how to get a date out of the gym. Are you ready for the answer? Here it is. You don't. You don't. You don't get dates out of the gym. You don't pick up women and men at the gym. You just don't. That's the bottom line. You don't go there for that. Now, if something happens organically, you happen to meet somebody or whatever, but for the most part, that's not what that atmosphere is for. That's not what that atmosphere is for. And so many people go to a gym purposely to meet somebody, and that's just not a good thing for a lot of reasons. Number one, your health and your wellness is your number one priority when you go to a gym. That's your number one priority, hopefully. I'm not going to tell anybody what to do, but that's the number one priority going to a gym. Number two, there are some people on both sides, men and women, who aren't coming there for that. They're not coming there for that. So they don't want you playing peeping Tom, looking at them, lurking around behind the dumbbell rack, behind the squat machine, looking at somebody. A lot of people don't want that. They don't want that. The majority of women I've talked to as a trainer and stuff, they tell me they don't want that. They say they go to the gym with no makeup and stuff on, intentfully to not have somebody talking to them, and they still have people trying to talk to them. So that's number two, because most people aren't there for that. Number three, be clear on your intentions on why you're going to the gym. Hopefully, again, your intentions are to get healthy, be in shape, and become the best version of yourself. You should be in the gym to work on yourself. You should be in there working on yourself, trying to improve yourself, become a better version of yourself. What is it you can do to improve on? And it's probably pretty hard to make those micro improvements when you're lurking behind the dumbbell rack, staring at people, looking around. Nobody needs to see that. Nobody needs to hear that. Get in there, hit the weights, get your cardio done, go to your class, and take care of business. And especially to you guys that I've seen, and I got to just bring this up real quick. I've seen guys go as far as to stand outside an exercise class, like a yoga class or a Zumba class, and you're looking through the glass window. Are you serious? You want to stare at somebody while they're in a downward facing dog? You want to stand there and look at somebody while they're exercising? You think they want you looking at them while they're working out? Nobody wants to be on display for you. Who do you think you are? You're going to stand there and watch somebody work out? That's not a good look. That's not a good look. You look like a creeper doing that. And I'm an exercise instructor myself. I teach group classes, and I see people looking inside the class. And you're not looking to see the exercise. You're looking in there to see what you can get a peep at. And I can tell you right now, from the inside looking out, it looks kind of creepy when you're in the glass pane looking through the window at somebody working out. It's not a good look. It's not a good look. You look like a lunatic doing that. Knock that off. Knock it off. You don't need to be doing that. Go lift your weights, do your cardio, and again, become the best version of yourself. Become the best version of yourself. Mold and create the best version of what you want to be, and you'll meet somebody in another place. Now, here's the thing. If it happens organically in that atmosphere, I'm all for it. If that's how it happens. If it happens that way organically. But I don't know if going to the gym to pursue that is a good look. Just my opinion. Just my opinion. There's probably some people out there who will disagree with me wholeheartedly. There's probably people who met their spouses and long-term partners in the gym, and that's a good thing. I'm not saying there's anything against that. All I'm saying is just be careful with your intentions going in. I don't think it's a good idea to join a gym just for that. If it happens naturally and organically, fine. But I just don't think it's good to have that intention to go in for that. Stop lurking, stop looking, stop being a peeping Tom, checking people out, hiding behind the dumbbells and looking, and stop looking inside the group exercise rooms. It's not a good look. It makes you look like a little bit of a creep when you're doing that. Knock that off. Hope this has been informative. Have a nice day.